Hi there, Scott Peterson. We're here with a real life story of the law. It's Wednesday. Wednesday's a day when we tell you real stories about things that happen in the real world that involve the law or in some way implicate the legal system. Okay? So, we were recently staying at a nice hotel with our family. I was speaking at an event and we decided to make a couple days of it, make a weekend of the trip. One day we decided to take a walk with our kids, and the hotel that we were staying at had a large staircase that kind of led down to the street below. We're walking down the staircase, and my son, Miles, looks at us and says, "Dad, these stairs are really dangerous. They're extremely slippery, they are crumbling beneath us, and I feel like if somebody falls, you should sue them." Now, that kind of statement only happens when you have two parents who are lawyers, I think. But what he was saying is actually correct. And that is, when you're walking outside and you're walking down the street or you're walking downstairs at a hotel or a facility, there's an obligation on the owner of that facility to maintain that property in a reasonably safe condition. What that means is that if they are aware, or if they should be aware of something that is dangerous that could harm somebody in the public or somebody who's invited onto their property, they have an obligation to correct it. In the case of the stairs, let's say these stairs were slippery because they were out of code, because they were old, because they had snow or ice on them that had not been maintained. Any of those reasons, if the owner became aware of them, would generally obligate the owner to take the steps necessary to perform repairs and put them in an otherwise safe condition. If the owner doesn't do that and somebody falls, the owner may be held responsible for those injuries. So next time you're walking down the street or you're walking on a property and you see something that's dangerous, it's probably a good idea to notify the owner so that they can have an opportunity to repair the condition and so somebody doesn't get hurt. If you find yourself in a position where you've been hurt or one of your family members has been hurt because of some kind of an accident on property, these are the things that you want to think about. Did the condition exist for a while or long enough that allowed the owner to fix it? Was it clearly something that should have been repaired or changed or was improperly designed? And if it was not properly designed or in the right condition, is that what caused you to fall, and is that what caused your accident or your injury? People can get really hurt falling and get really hurt on property and because of accidents that occur on property. We've had some very unfortunate cases come through our firm over the years, but you can be assured that if you have questions about this or if you have problems, just give us a call. We're happy to take a look at your situation, see if there's anything that we can do for you. This is what we do, and we're happy to help.